Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So apparently I am in the mood for making videos today. So some of you know how I do. I'm gonna make a few videos so that I can post whenever, instead of not having anything to post when you feel like you should have posted something. But anyway, I'm gonna try and do it really quickly. But like I said, you guys, I feel like making a video. So first video, our second video, actually the third, and I'll probably post this one first because it's kind of plain, I guess I'm going to say. So I am working on some plain-ish journals, right? So I was checking my mail, got a package in, had to go and pull out these because I was getting low. I'm not really getting low, but I haven't come across this in my stash yet, so I've been shopping for it, but can't find it. So I went ahead and ordered some more. Now, why am I talking about that? Because I was looking for some of these, and you guys, when I purchase things like this, I like to buy a large quantity, in bulk. And as you see, I purchased 2 of these, right? So when I purchased these, they are 6 mm, right? Because I know that that's the size that I need. I thought I Googled it, and what I'm talking about is for this, or I don't even think I've tried. Let me see. I think they're the same sizes, and this is all rusted out, you guys. It looks like it's taken a little wear, but anyway, 1/8 inch and 3/16 of an inch, and I think because I've done it before, it should be 6 mm that will fit these, right? So never used to have these problems, but it seems like in the last year or so, lots of issues with some things, and you can see where this comes from. It got here pretty quickly because I think I may have ordered this maybe a week ago. I can't keep up. I'll order something and forget about it, and then sometimes it's like a month later and you're like, okay, where's my package? We all understand what that's about. So let me get to the importance of this. So I needed these kind of bad. So because I wanted the gold, I think, and I couldn't find my others, okay? So they fit, they work. Let me show you. I'm trying to find a tag here. I just had that. So they'll work, right? Let's just make a tag really quick since I'm doing the video. And see, I have no problem hardly doing this way because this is a large piece. So I can easily just flip that. And I have shown how to do the other tags. I have to keep mentioning things because people will, you watch different videos, you haven't seen the old ones of the way I do the easy tag without having to flip-flop and all that crap. Okay, so this is the thing here, right? Let's just see if this is going to work. And I can also show, this is what I'm actually looking for. These sizes. And I love these. I love all about them, okay? There's that whole size, but as you can see, okay, let's lay that out there so you can see the size difference. Okay, can't see it there? Well, I can pick this one up and put that one inside of that one, okay? That's the size difference. You can see that little hole, right? So where's my tag? This one fits snugly in there. It fits good and snug. It just doesn't slip in. It gives me a little tension so that it's nice and snug. That's the size that I need. This is too big. So I contacted the seller. I purchased these through eBay. I contacted the seller. Of course, I had used a couple out of here already, and they were going to, just do a return, and they were going to probably, I don't know what they were going to do, send me another incorrect size. I don't understand what the deal is with that. So I could have sent that back, but that was unethical since, like I said, I'd already used a couple of the beads out of here. Maybe if I had told them, they would have been okay with it. Just give me like a I don't know. But so all I have to do though is make this hole a little bit bigger, which is more work. And I'm just giving solutions because, and then we have it. I have a larger hole, which is good when you want to put multiple ribbons or different types of fabric through these holes. It's fine. At the end of the day, I'm not going to trip too much. My issue kind of sort of is come on, if you're going to, you know, if you have different sizes available, then that's what you need to put forth. And so what I'm going to do this time, I haven't opened it. I haven't opened this at all because when I saw them, I was like, okay, we've got the same thing going on here. So I'm going to purchase from the same seller because you had sizes 4, 6, 8, I think, and 10 millimeter to choose from. So I'm going to go back and order the 4 millimeters and see if they're going to send me the same exact size. Now, I've also purchased these, and these are 8 mm's, okay? And so if you see the size of that, let's pull one out. So why am I doing this video? Well, for one, I felt like doing it. And 2, maybe someone else can keep from making this mistake, because and then I'll come back on, and once I've got the 4 mm, then I'll update you guys. Or you have the solution, which is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go through and make up a whole bunch of tags so that I don't have to do it, you know. But I probably will end up doing it as I go through my journals. It's just how I roll. Sadly, sometimes that's a good thing, sometimes not so much. But anyway, I'll just make a bigger hole and then do that. No biggie, because I'm not going to return these. I'm not going to. This is the color that I wanted. I have plenty of gold, and these were getting low. I think these are brass, and these are probably gunmetal. These are gunmetal. My preference are these. But anyway, I'm having to make a few changes in some things. So let's pop one of these out. And let's see what we have here. I mean, they feel good quality. Let's put it there. And let's see if this is the same. Let me get let's see if this is the same size here. And as you can see, that's fitting on there. So what that tells me is this is not 6, which I already know because I've made plenty of beads, you guys, and I know the jump ring size, so I know the size of these, okay? These are, did I say jump rings? I've made plenty of charms, chunky charms. I have plenty of these jump rings here to where I know this, and I was trying to find, where did I put those? I moved them out of the way anyway. So this is not a true 6 mm, but like I said, I'm going to go back and I'm going to order a 4 mm, and if they send me the same exact thing, which is also why I'm making this video for evidence, okay, and I will be posting it, because I could be like, I am going to post it. Like I said, it's evidence, and no big deal, because I'm not going to, this is nothing to stress out over. Like I said, I'm going to use these because I can, but I'm not going to have someone selling something, you know, like you have many options, and then you're just going to send the same size. So anyway, I'm done with that foolishness. Not that it's foolishness. I think it will help someone. It's going to help me. I'm going to now go back to working on my journals. You guys have a wonderful night, a wonderful grand rising, or a wonderful evening, wherever you are.